we have in front of us is the RoadSaver 3G. It's the latest technology from Etnyre. The prime mover for this machine and what powers the back is the PACCAR MX engine and an Allison 4500 RDS transmission. That gives us the power to run all this without the traditional side engine. The RoadSaver is a slurry machine and microsurfacing. It does both chemistries, so it's a very multi-purpose machine for our resurfacing. We see on the front here we have a emulsion tank. This is 800 gallons of our asphalt emulsion with the different chemistries. Like I said, we can run either, typically it's going to be a cationic product, but we're either running slurry, polymer modified slurry, or true microsurfacing. As we start to move back, we have the hopper. The hopper has 12 cubic yards struck of our raw aggregates. Underneath the hopper, you'll see that there's the emulsion pump, and we have filters, so we have head pressure feeding the system. So feeding the pumps. Pumps love to create flow. They don't like to draw vacuum. Having this electronically synchronized where we can put it below the tank makes a lot of sense. Filtration to keep the larger particles out of the pump from causing issues. Asphalt, large chunks of asphalt can cause issue. Very stringy latex, O-rings out of the hoses, all kinds of things can cause problems. The filtration protects from that. The emulsion pump creates the flow, comes back through the three-way valve. The three-way valve allows us to have the pump in constant flow. Emulsion is a very sticky material. When it's cold, it's stiff, it's hard to get it to move. We want to make sure that we have heating to keep these warm to help them flow. So on the back of the machine, there is a valve back here that uses engine coolant to heat the emulsion pump. You'll see by the hoses underneath here, we've got the coolant to heat that. It also heats up this three-way valve. When we start in the morning, we want to have the engine running. If it's from a cold start, we're on the job site, the engine will start probably in about 10 minutes. It'll be plenty warm enough for it to run because we're pulling directly off the head of the engine. Heats up very quickly. If we are driving to the job site, it's instantaneous. Truck's already warm. We hit that valve open in just a matter of a minute or so. It heats up these components very quickly. It's important to know that this valve, see these hoses, it's recirculating. As I said, asphalt emulsion is stiff, and we want to be able to have it in a dynamic state, not a static state. So if we didn't have the material flowing, we get ready to make material in the back, we turn it on, it's going to take a little bit for that material to start to flow through the piping. With the recirculation through the three-way valve, when we're ready to start material, it's already in that dynamic state. It's moving. All we do is actuate the cylinder. This opens, and now instead of sending the material from here back to the tank for recirculation, it opens and now sends the material through this pipe to the pug mill for making our chemistry. That's an important part of this process that we got to make sure that is something we're managing when we start. There are two things that we do when we start the machine and we start to operate. There's a lot of automatic controls to make this simple, but we turn on the oil pump, which is this outside switch on this side, and then we turn on the pug mill. Those are two that we run manually, make sure that those are going. We make sure our valve is hot. Now we're ready to start making material, and we can use our one button controls in the back. One button sequence is on, one button sequence is off. Simple, easy for the operator to be able to make material, focus on the quality of the product he's putting on the ground, and safety of the crew. Those are two key elements of that we try to design into the RoadSaver machine. So we want to walk around the back of the machine. I'll show you a few more things.